Hello everyone, my name is Shahid Masroor and I am doing this project for the AI Product Management Specialization course offered by Duke University. Oil and gas equipment in the oil and gas domain can fail because of corrosion, because of pressure changes, vibration, and aging. These failures are expensive and can be affect the safety. Since the companies are already collecting the data from the sensors, the machine learning is a good solution for predicting failure. So the failure could be corrosion, pressure changes, as I mentioned, due to vibration, and due to the aging of the solution as well. Now, with the machine learning, the business goal is to predict equipment failure before they occur. Since success means reducing downtime, lowering maintenance cost, and improving safety, the model will use data such as pressure, temperature, vibration, flow rate, and the equipment age as mentioned here. And then the metrics we are going to use, which in terms of machine learning is accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. In slide 4, you can see the proposed solution uses historical sensor data to train the machine learning model. The model predict the potential failure and the maintenance engineer receive the alerts. The solution will be validated by the comparing prediction with the actual maintenance record. In slide 5, you can see the model will retain monthly using new data, and prediction will made in a real time, and the system will be deployed on a cloud platform. It could be AWS, it could be Azure, it could be Google, connected to the monitoring dashboard. So you can see training is there, prediction, and the deployment to the cloud. And then in slide 6, you can see, there are some risks such as data drift, concept drift, this sensor failure or latency. These risks can be reduced by monitoring data quality and retaining the model regularly. And finally, in slide 7, you can see in conclusion, the machine learning can be improved the safety, reduce maintenance cost, and minimize the downtime and increase the efficiency in terms of operation in the oil and gas industry. Thank you. That is all my presentation here.